We're so excited because we're the only ones on Staten Island with the latest technology, the brand new Cerec Primescan. The Cerec machine makes your life easier because now you can come in and walk out with your brand new crown in one visit. You don't need to go home with a temporary crown. You don't have to even go through all those goopy impression materials that we used to use. Now you come in, we scan your mouth after prepping your tooth for your crown or your inlay, your onlay, your bridge, your veneer. We create that restoration right here in the office while you wait, and we put it in that day. So if you've been holding off on getting that broken tooth fixed because you just don't have the time to make it happen and you can't take off from work, now it's so much easier. You make one visit and you'll walk out with your crown that day. So give us a call at C&K Dental Boutique to set up your reservation for your brand new crown with our brand new Cerec machine.